If we go now to Google and search for something like what is SEO, you will see we have more than 4 billion results. So how someone with a new website can rank on top of Google with all this competition? The good news that today in this video, and after 2 months of working, we at HEducate finished the SEO Ultimate Checklist, which is totally free. I will give it to you. You apply it step by step to rank on top of Google and get free traffic from Google. If you go now to my website at heducate.com, you can see here I have 28% traffic coming from search engines, especially Google. Other website also 28%, my second website. My third website, HSuperTools, is getting around 27% also from search engines. 27% out of 445,000, so it's around 120,000 visits coming from Google, free traffic. This is why it's very important to take care of SEO on your website. You can get free organic traffic on the long term. Now in 1 minute, how SEO works, or search engine optimization. It's simply about 3 main steps. Number 1 is to pick the correct keyword to rank on. Example, if you go here and say free Instagram hashtag generator, you will see that my website appears on Google, I think in result number 10 or 9. In this way, people can find my website through Google. So step number 1 is to pick the correct keyword. I explained this in detail in part 9 of my online business series. You can check the video in the description below. It's a full course explaining how to generate content ideas for 1 year and picking up the correct keywords for your website. Go now and check it. Step 2, after you pick the keyword, you need to go to your website, like this page, Instagram hashtag generator page, and optimize this page. Optimize it to rank for this keyword. You need to go with technical SEO, on-page SEO, some website settings, and so on, to optimize your website. Then step 3, you need to build authority. If you go here to ahrefs.com, let's sign in. You can see HSuperTools has around 73,000 backlinks. So step number 3 is to build authority, to build backlinks, to increase your website score, and then to rank higher on Google. So these are the 3 main steps to rank on top of Google. A lot of things. What I did is I built a shortcut, the SEO checklist. Let's go here to Notion, SEO checklist. You can see I built this checklist step by step. You can copy it and then apply it to rank on top of Google. Please don't leave. I want to tell you how to use this checklist. In the description below, you will find a link. This link will allow you to clone this template on an application called Notion. It's a free application. Just copy it and then you will have exactly the same copy here. You can see we have website configuration. We have step by step. When you finish something, you can check this, so it's done. Then you go down technical SEO, then we have site performance, then on-page SEO, and you will notice that I didn't publish yet the off-page SEO. It's simply because I didn't publish my free course about off-page SEO. So I want you to understand how link building works, how off-page SEO works before you go with this checklist. So the good news also is this checklist will be updated always with new things and with new guides. What do I mean by guides? What's nice, in this checklist, beside every task, you will see a guide, a link to a guide. Let's see this. Set up Google Search Console. Maybe you don't know how. So you simply click on the guide and you will go here and find a full step-by-step guide on how to implement this task. And what's really awesome, that this guide is published on our forum. So you can simply engage with us here. You can just reply, ask questions, and I will be almost every day with you to help you with this checklist. So beside every task, we have a guide. This guide will be updated always. You just click, read it, you have questions, publish it, reply on the forum. I will be with my team, with you, to help you in any task you want. So this guide is always updated. I will announce any update in the community section on Telegram. So please don't forget to join us on Telegram and to check our community section here on YouTube for any update I publish. And that's it. I think this work deserves a like. So please don't forget to smash the like button and turn on notifications to get every new update. Go now, download the checklist. It's totally free. I hope you enjoyed this video.